Good morning, Myrtle Beach. I'm Vicki Harvey with Vicki Sells Grand Strand and Realty One Group, and I'm going over August 2024 local market update for single family residents. And these are for the 5 zip codes that make up Myrtle Beach. So let's start with 29577. In August of 2024, our average price per square foot was 581,170. So it's definitely up from last August. If you can see 516,367. Good news for everybody trying to sell their home right now in 29577. Average days on market are 88, very close to what they were in 2023. The good news is our price per square foot is up to 208. So, because it's an election time, it's probably a good time to think about selling your home because you never know what's going to happen. Depends on who gets elected, right? Months of supply. We have a lot more a lot more homes on the market here. We have 3.9 compared to 2.1. We have 115 active listings compared to 86.26 pending sales. We had more pending sales last year, 20 closed sales. We had more closed sales, but our price is up and we have more on the market. So there's more to choose from. 29575, which is 29577 is the market common area. 29575 is like the Prestwick area of Myrtle Beach slash Myrtle Beach. So the average price there is 481,515, which is up from August of 2023 at 452,587. Good news. Good time to sell your home there too. Our average days on market went down from last year in this one, so we're 89 compared to 108. Our price per square foot, however, went down a little. It's now 220 compared to 232. Average days on market, months of supply is 4.6, a lot more because look at the amount of homes. We have a lot more homes to choose from. 166 active listings compared to 104 in 2023, and we had 3.1 months of supply in 29575 in 20. So we have a lot more. And let's see, pending sales 41, 30 closed sales. 29579, which is the Carolina Forest area. That went up quite a bit. Average price, sales price is 508,357 compared to 451,987. That's awesome. Great time. Call me if you're interested in getting your home sold or at least under contract before the election comes up. 103 days on market compared to 121. That's good. 164 price per square foot compared to 155. About the same months of supply. We have about the same, just a little bit less active listings, 358. We had 136 sales, 141. There's a lot of building going on still in 29579. So that's all. The closed sales and pending sales are about the same as 2023. 29572 is the Grand Dunes area, and the average price per square foot in August was 891 226, and we have 100. So it's down a little from last year compared to 994 485. 141 days on market, which is less than it was in 2023 at 193. Let's see. So that's good. Price per square foot is up by $10, 267 compared to 257. We have more months supply. We have 3.6 because we have a lot more. We have 66 active listings compared to 48 back, in 2023. We have 20 pending sales and 20 sold compared to 22 and 22 up in August of 2023. And 29588, which is it's Sacastee and off of 707. That price is definitely up from last year, August, at average 394,983 compared to 352,105. Also, average days on market went down just a bit to 93 compared to 98. Price per square foot went up. 153 compared to 149. Also, month supply went up because we have more listings again. That's 275 compared to 220, 97 pending sales, 95 closed sales. So if you have any questions, please reach out to me. I'm here to help. My number is 943 843 222 7800. Again, I'm Vicki Harvey with Vicki Sells Grand Strand. Thanks for watching. Take care. Hello, Myrtle Beach 29577, which is the Market Common area of Myrtle Beach. Let's go over the 2024 August, what happened in August for single family residential. So the average price is up from a year ago in 2023 at 581 170. Great time to sell your house. Nobody knows what's going to happen in this election. So if you're thinking about moving and you know the prices are up right now, it's a good time to list. So give me a call. It's real similar days on market, 88 compared to 89 in last year, August. This is the good news. Average price per square foot, 208 compared to 190. That is awesome. We have more, they stay on the market longer. So we have 3.9 compared to 2.1 because we have more active listings right now. People know, that our prices are high right now, so you try to sell your home when the prices are up. 115 compared to 86 active last 2023 of August. 26 pending sales and 20 closed sales. So if you're interested in knowing your particular neighborhood, please reach out to me. I'm always available. 843 222 7800. Thanks for watching. Good morning, 29575 Myrtle Beach. This is your local market update for single family residential homes in the 29575 Myrtle Beach zip code. So for August, this past August 2024, our average sales price was $481,515 compared to last year at $452,587. So it's a great time to get your house listed while the prices are up, and because no one has a crystal ball and knows what's happening after the election. Okay, average days on market 89. It's down from last year at 108. We did go down $10 compared to last August in price per square foot. We're at 220 compared to 232. We have more inventory, so we have month supply 4.6 compared to 3.1 because look at the active listings. We have 166 active listings compared to 104, 41 pending sales and 30 closed sales. It's still a very good time to sell your home if you're thinking about it. So give me a call and we'll talk about your neighborhood, whatever you need. I'd love to help you out. 843 222 7800. Thanks. Take care. Hello, Myrtle Beach, zip code 29579. This is Vicki Harvey with your August 2024 residential single family market update. So let's see. Average sales price was 508,357. This is in the Carolina Forest area. Look at compared to last year at 451,987. You guys are on fire. It is definitely a great time to sell your home if you're thinking about it. So please give me a call and we can go over my marketing and your particular neighborhood. Another good thing, average days on market went down from last year. We're at 103 compared to 121. Price per square foot average up 164 compared to last year at 155. Month supply 2.7 compared to 2.9, very close. Active listings 358 compared to 385 last year. 136 pending sales, 134, very close. 141 compared to closed sales 155. So market is still hot. So if you'd like more information about possibly selling your house, please reach out 843-222-7800. Thanks for watching. Hello and welcome, Myrtle Beach 29572, which is the Grand Dunes area of the Myrtle Beach zip code. I'm Vicki Harvey with Vicki Sells Grand Strand. So this is for August of 2024, compared it to last year, 2023. So average sales price 891 236, or excuse me, 226, compared to last year, August 944 485. The average sales price went down. However, I have good news after that. So average days on market went down in 2024, 141 compared to 193, and your price per square foot went up to 267 from 257. So a $10 per square foot price increase. Your inventory month supply went up because we have 3.6 compared to 2.6, because look, we have 66 active listings compared to 2023. We had 48, about the same pending and closed sales, 20 pending, 20 closed in 2024, and 22 and 22 in 2023. So, and just so you know, you can see these numbers where they fluctuate a lot. 29572 has a lot of homes over $1 million. So when you see numbers like that, it just means that they had, like if you look back in April where the average, that means a lot of, in 2023, sorry, there was just a lot of homes, or a couple different homes that sold for, over $1 million, that really jacked that price up. So thank you for watching, and call me if you're thinking about selling your home. I'd love to help. Hello, welcome Myrtle Beach 29588 to your local market update for August of 2024. And this is the part that I love about my job, is to help others understand the market. And it helps me as a realtor understand when I do these market updates. Not very many, if any, other realtors actually do this. So anyways, August of 2024, 394 983 was your average price of a sales price. Look at that. Look how much it jumped from last year. 252 105. If you're thinking about selling your house, call me. That is awesome. You made some good money there. Let's see. Average days on market 93 compared to 98. Very close. Average price per square foot. This is the other good news. 153 in August of 2024 compared to 149 in 2023. We have more inventory, so the month's supply is pushed out, 3.2 compared to 2.2. We have 275 active listings compared to 220 in 2023, 97 pending compared to 113, 95 closed compared to 122. It is an awesome time to sell your home. If you're thinking about moving, give me a call, 843-222-7800, and thanks for watching.